Have you ever been ignored by someone and told yourself it didn't matter? Have you ever waited for a reply you swore you didn't care about? Have you ever said, "I am fine," while quietly hoping someone would ask again? If any of this sounds familiar, this video is about you. You tell people you are in low maintenance. I don't need much. Don't worry about checking on me. I am used to being on my own. You mean it mostly. Then one day, your phone buzzes. Just a text, nothing important, and something in your chest lifts. Just slightly, before you even read it. Later that week, someone forgets to ask how your day went. Something small, something you would never mention, but it sits there anyway, a little heavier than it should. You would never call yourself needy. You would never even admit you noticed. But you did. You always do. Nobody is born saying, "I don't need anyone." That sentence is learned somewhere along the way. A need for attention went unanswered, or asking for closeness felt embarrassing, or wanting more came with the risk of being told you wanted too much. So you adjusted, not consciously, quietly. Over time, you learned it was after to expect nothing, then to ask for something and be told no. Being independent was not a personality trait, it was protection. You didn't stop needing people, you just stopped letting it show. That craving didn't disappear, it just moved underground. It shows up in the way one unanswered message sits in your mind longer than it should, in the way you reply a conversation looking for a sign that you mattered, in the relief you feel that you would never admit out loud. When someone simply asks if you are okay, none of that makes you needy, it makes you human. Wanting to be noticed is not a weakness, it's one of the most natural things a person can feel. The only thing that changed is that you learned to hide it well. Next time you watch yourself brushing something off, a missed message, a forgotten check-in, a small moment that quietly stung, don't correct yourself for feeling it. Just notice it. That mattered to me more than I let on. That's it. You don't have to fix it. You don't have to explain it to anyone. Just stop pretending it didn't land. Because it did. It always does. Have you ever caught yourself caring more than you let on? And just quietly kept it to yourself? You don't have to explain. Just comment, same.